Hi, this is Mark. Today I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to use SmartLink system, the TMS, Translation Management Software System. And this is the video tutorial contents which I exported from the table of contents of user guide. So I will walk you through um, to navigate to the product translation project as well as the manual translation project. And within these two projects, you'll be going through translation, review, and publish steps. And in between, I will show you how to reject the string in the reviewing translation step, as well as the post-edit flow. So, to start with, log in the SmartLink with your account and password. So it will prompt you to the default page job dashboard. However, the job dashboard doesn't contain all the SKU available on the product list. So we suggest that you go to String View Beta page. Hit Projects, Product Translations, and Translations, String View Beta. So within the string interface, you'll be able to see all the strings available within the product translation project. To search a job, we use this SKU 210642 as an example. We select the SKU job, hit the in progress, apply the filter of in progress in status, and always remember to filter in progress jobs so the SmartLink can display the strings that need to be translated only. For the rest of the strings that already have the 100% memory will be hidden, which I'll be explaining later in the CAT tool translation interface. One thing to remind you, in the in progress status, it contains both translation and review step jobs. And also remember to select your target languages or the target language you need to be work with. And once all set, hit the adding cat tools under actions column. It will prompt you to the translation interface. So in the translation interface, this is a summary of job. If you hit context, you'll be able to see the product image. On your right, this is a language resource panel where you can insert the memory and glossary. So by default, we set the benchmark of memory rate of 75%. So SmartLink system will automatically identify the best matches memory and auto-populate it to the string. Okay, so let's continue with the translation. So I'm going to start to translate. This is the product title with the character limit of 70. So be sure to translate within the character limit. Okay, so this is the Vita Excel glossary, the brand. So if you hover your mouse to the glossary, it will display do not translate. So just leave it as it is, like the source text. If you find the brand need to be translated is non-Vita Excel brand, please refer to the user guide for further explanation. Okay, so one of the things I would like to particularly highlight here is if you see the grooving line of the memory, that means the memory is separated. So if you see the grooving line of the memory, you need to merge the segment into the next into next. So once you merge the segment, you are able there is a memory which allows you to insert or auto-populate once the memory is above 75 rate. So if you would like to roll back and translate a particular string individually, hit the resource segmentation and you are allowed to translate this string individually. And one of the things I would like to particularly highlight here is there might be HTML code within the source text. If you see the HTML code, you need to hit the HTML code to here, like for example, a bracket. So once the HTML code is inserted, and you need to, if there's a memory, you can insert it and drag the right bracket to the corresponding placement according to the source text. However, if there is no memory, you have to hit the HTML code first and start the translation information within the bracket first, and then continue your translation, rest of your translation. So like I said, if we hit the hide lock string, some 100% show lock string, sorry, some of the string that contains 100% memory will be displayed. However, in this case, it seems that there is no 100% memory smart matches auto published, so leave as it is. And also, if you see there is a issue arrow from the source text, you can open new issue, source by default, and select the recent of